Good afternoon. Today's topic of discussion is going to be the 2013 November edition of the Las Vegas Luxury Real Estate Market Update. This is Dale Snyder with the Snyder Group, a team-driven real estate here at Keller Williams Realty. So there's been a lot of talk about the quantitative easing, the stock market peaking, distressed properties coming onto the market. There's one key thing that's not being discussed. Watch this video. We're going to be going over that in detail. If you found us on YouTube or Googling on the internet and you stumbled across this video, note that we send out a monthly luxury e-newsletter with valuable content. Just simply shoot us a quick email if you would like to receive that monthly. All right, let's jump right in. We have a lot of graphs and charts in different price points. As I've mentioned many times, we break the luxury market in from 500 to 750, 750 to a million, 1 to 2 million, 2 million plus, because those are different luxury markets. Nothing of importance that I want to discuss right now in that data other than to just have that out there for you and note that we track this monthly, so we are your luxury experts. One of the things that we see historically that I'd like to touch on is we see goose eggs in that million, 2 million and plus during the holiday season. We've seen this during the peak years in 2004, 2005, so it's not uncommon for us to see zero sales during the holiday season in this price point. What we're presently seeing in the market is a stabilization. Prices were on the uptick this spring. Everything we listed in the luxury market, we'd put it 10% above the recent sales and we'd get it. Now the market's starting to stabilize. I just mentioned the seasonal trends. Taking that out of the equation, we are still seeing inventory on the rise and prices starting to stabilize. So there are still sellers out there that are trying to push the market by 10%. This isn't the market to be doing that in. If you're looking to sell your luxury estate, you need to be more aggressive in your pricing because we are in a stabilization period. So what does this mean? And what do we project? My quick pulse on it is a home worth 800 or 1.2 million today, 12 months from now is going to be worth about plus or minus 5% of that price. So if you're looking to make a transition in the luxury market, there's an important thing that we need to discuss. We could go over quantitative easing, the stock market peaking, the historical trends of where prices should be based on the Case-Shiller index. We can talk about the distressed inventory, which take a look at this graph here, showing the spike in notice of defaults in September. And also take a quick look at this graph. Just by the discussion of the bond purchasing slowing down, rates went up about 0.3%. The one thing we know is interest rates are going to go up, probably a point and a half in the next year. That's what all the expert analysts are saying. What we also know is the buyers on our luxury estates, many of them are using financing to make a move up into the market and take advantage of it. So on a $500,000 loan or $1 million loan, a 1-point tick up is $500 to $1,000 a month in your payment alone. So what we also know is that the luxury market, and you know this, right? If you're looking to buy or sell, 3 to 6 months, right? I mean, you don't just jump into the market and find a luxury property and buy it the first day you go out usually, unless you find that right deal. It takes a little time. And the same when you list your luxury estate. You're looking at more like a 2 to 6 month time window before it's going to sell. So if you're looking to make a transition in the luxury market, now is the time to get the ball rolling. If you're more of a doomsday person and you're worried about these wild cards that could happen, well, this is still going to impact you. But if you're going to wait, then, hey, you could lose 20% in your home if one of these wild cards happens. If not, you could have 10, 15% equity in the next 3 to 5 years. We can't predict the future. If you can, reach out to me because I'd like to do some investing with you. Otherwise, if you're looking to make a transition in the market in the next 12 months, I'd encourage you to reach out to me. Have an educated conversation. Look forward to the opportunity to building a relationship with you. If you're one of our current clients and you have questions, give me a call. I'd love to chat with you. All right, once again, the data that we've compiled and the two charts are going to be here at the end and also in the description below. If you have any questions about those, if there's something that I didn't mention or something that you'd like to dive deeper into, please reach out to me. I'd love to have that conversation with you. If you liked this video, make sure to like it, share it. If you didn't, just delete it. I hope you have a fantastic afternoon. Thanks and have a great day.